Modern breakfast nook ideas. What is a breakfast nook? A breakfast nook is a small space, often enclosed on three sides and located near or off the kitchen, which many people use for casual dining. Seats and tables in such an area can be diner-style, and installed or attached to the floor. Alternately, any small space with a table and chairs for morning, or casual afternoon or evening dining, can be considered a breakfast nook. Since breakfast nooks are by nature relatively small, they may only fit 4 to 6 diners at most, and sometimes only 2. Many people who have these already built in their kitchens also have a formal dining room. With large families, a nook may be too small for a whole family to dine together, but they were often and still remain the perfect place to serve young children breakfast. Style in these areas varies greatly. Many are located next to or surrounded by windows, so that those seated can have a nice view. It's a good idea to garden accordingly so that you can provide a pretty view of gardens, trees or flowers. Some people line their breakfast nooks, especially in apartments, with window boxes full of flowers, so if the view is not terrific, at least sunny flowers greet the informal diner. Some do not have windows attached, but simply provide a convenient extra space for serving some meals, and in two-person homes, such nooks can provide the main dining space in a home.